What about say that one say?
They said the night was heavy, they said the chains were strong, but I remember mama's praying, it turned my crying into songs. I walked through valleys angry, fire burning in my chest, till your mercy found me broken, put my rebel heart to rest. Stronger than the dark twilight, stronger than the fear I hide. Every shadow runs from your name, power in the blood, in the holy flame. Stronger than the prison doors, stronger than the devil's roar. When you stand, the lies fall apart. Your love is the lion in my heart.
Oh, they told me, girl,
You're nothing.
spoke curses on my name, but you called me daughter.
Chosen, wrap my ashes up in praise. I've danced on broken bottles, still your kindness held my feet. Now I'm standing on the promise, what you started, you complete. Stronger than the dark light, stronger than the fear I hide. Every shadow runs from your name, power in the blood, in the holy flame. Stronger than the prison doors, stronger than the devil's roar. When you stand, the lies fall apart. Your love is the lion in my heart.
Hey,
When the tempter talks too loud,
I remember what you said.
every lie will hit the ground.
Every word of yours stays fair.
Oh, the cross has closed that chapter.
Oh, the stone rolled back the grave.
All the boast of darkness shattered
By the name that heals and saves.